Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be showing you how to open up a checking account online with Torrington Savings Bank. So it's pretty simple and straightforward, and it can also be done from your phone or laptop. So simply start by going over to the Torrington Savings Bank website, then simply navigate to the checking account section. So from here, you will then be able to see all their checking account options. So one of them is called the Advantage checking account. So for this account, the bank literally mentions that you can open it online and that the minimum opening deposit is around $100. So once you're ready, simply click on it and you'll then be taken to the next page. And from here, simply click Open Account. So you'll then be guided through providing your personal information, so things like your full name, address, date of birth, social security number, and funding details for the opening deposit. So once everything is in, guys, you then have to submit your application. Then make your minimum opening deposit. So once you do that, you then receive your account details and you'll then be able to download their mobile banking app or use their online banking portal to manage your checking account, check your balance, make transfers, and set up e-statements. And that's it. So it's that simple. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we will see you in the next one.